Shalom, family. This is Melody Yasharel for Servants of YAH. Thank you again, family, for joining me for another educational video titled Inspirational Word for Today. Today, family, we're going to be reading 3 scriptures. Please follow along with me, family, as I read these. After I'm finished, I will go into detail the meaning of each scripture. Let's begin with Matthew chapter 7, verses 15 to 20. Verse 15, family. Beware of false prophets who come to you in sheep's clothing, but inwardly they are ravenous wolves. Verse 16. You shall know them by their fruits. Do men gather grapes of thorns or figs of thistles? Verse 17, family. Even so, every good tree brings forth good fruit, but a corrupt tree brings forth evil fruit. Verse 18. A good tree cannot bring forth evil fruit, neither can a corrupt tree bring forth good fruit. Verse 19. Every tree that brings not forth good fruit is hewn down and cast into the fire. Verse 20. Wherefore, by their fruits ye shall know them. Family, Matthew chapter 7, verses 15 to 20 describes not only false prophets, but to be aware of them, because they come as people that appear to be friendly, appear to be decent, but inwardly, family, they seek your destruction. 16 to 20 talks about the type of fruit that you should sow, the type of person that you are. If you're the type of person that loves the Most High and does His will, then you will reap the benefits of those. The seeds that you drop will bear good fruit, especially if you're doing the will of the Most High. And if you're not, if you're one of these false prophets out here, false preachers, uh, false ministers, it will show in the seeds that you drop, because the seeds that you're dropping are not going to reap good fruit. So that's what Matthew chapter 7, 15 and 20 describes, family. Meditate on that. Also, family, Luke chapter 6, verses 43 and 44. And this reiterates, family, what Matthew chapter 7, 15 to 20 states. A good tree cannot bring forth corrupt fruit. Again, a good tree cannot bring forth corrupt fruit. Neither can a corrupt tree bring forth good fruit. Family, there are people that are walking around in this country and in this world that are just wicked. They cannot produce anything good, family. Same as the Most High has His people, for they are righteous and they're going to provide good fruit. And it's going to show not only in their actions, but in their words, and vice versa. And our last one for this evening, family, is Leviticus chapter 19, verse 2. And Leviticus is one of the books in the Torah. And it says, Be you therefore holy, for I, Yah Elohim, am holy. And family, holy, or the word Kodesh, means set apart. For our Father, which art in heaven, He is holy. So we want to be living, speaking, and walking witnesses for Him. What we do, family, should be a reflection of the Most High. That is Leviticus chapter 19, verse 2. Thank you again, family, for being with me again for Inspirational Word of the Day. I pray that this word that I've spoken today has been edifying to you. Pray that you meditate on it. I pray that you learn from it, family. I pray that it encourages you, strengthens you, and may you continue to study the word to show yourself approved, family. Thank you again for joining me. If this has been edifying to you, please like, share, and subscribe. And please comment, family. We welcome your comments, your respectful comments. Any questions that you may have, we will gladly answer them according to the Bible. So again, family, thank you again. You found the video edifying. Please like, share, and subscribe. Continue to study the word, family, because in this day and age, we truly need it. This is your only way of fighting the evils of this wicked system, or this wicked world, wicked country that we live in. It's all about being set apart people, which is Kodesh, which is what Luke 6:43 and 44 and Leviticus 19 and 2 stresses. Also, Matthew chapter 7, verses 15 to 20. Thank you again, family. Shalom. Continue to look up. Praise Yah.